What's up guys, NVIDIA just announced something that Jensen Huang, their CEO, called the GPT moment for graphics. The last time they said something was that big of a deal was back when ray tracing was launched in 2018. And honestly, he might be right. This is DLSS 5, and if you're building games in Unreal Engine, you need to understand what's happening, because this changes everything about how your game is going to look. So let me break it down. This isn't just upscaling pixels like they did before. This is literally rendering a new look on top to enhance the visuals in real time for any kind of game. It doesn't matter, it just improves it right from the go. As you can see with these examples, it does look like there's a grade of an improvement with shadows and the overall quality of the lighting and textures, faces, and everything. And it makes sense because it's literally like if you were gonna upscale an image with the AI, but not in terms of resolution that they did before, adding more pixels. They literally re-render this on top. And this is such a big of a deal that literally Jensen Huang, again the CEO of NVIDIA, said that they have reinvented graphics again, which is quite of an insane take. And if he's saying this, it is for a reason. So this is another example where we can see a bigger open world, and we can see how this is improved on across the trees and foliage all around. But of course, news brings controversy, so there's a lot of insane articles covering if this is actually for the good or for the bad. There's so many opinions right now just trending online. We can also see this image where we can see the DLSS off, which is just the normal character image, and then we can see the upscaled version with DLSS 5 on. And as you can see, it is great of an improvement. It looks maybe even too real. We can see another example here where we have this effect off, and we just see the character, the 3D model itself. And then this is with the DLSS on, where we can see an improvement on overall the face and textures and lighting and all that stuff. We can also see here, the texture is improved. So right now he's showing, this game with DLSS 5 off, and we see how the game engine is looking, and this is with DLSS 5 on, and it's just an insane kickoff, right? It's an insane boost on the visuals. And maybe in this specific level it's a bit too bright or whatever, but I don't know how this works. But maybe you're able to control the lighting, some parameters or something. I have no idea how this works, but yeah, this is crazy technology. And you see people are generally scared that some others are okay with DLSS. Let's see what this user said on Reddit, which has a lot of upvotes, people agreeing with him. So that is the AI slob in its most unique form. I'm okay with upscaling because upscaling native is good for AA. I'm not that okay with FrameGen, but DLSS 5 is beyond the limit for me. Does anyone knows if AMD could do the same route? I really wish they don't, but I don't know. If they have comments about AI just like the ones from Jensen, does anyone know something about it? This is just a garbage AI filter. NVIDIA met criticism for DLSS 5 photoreal alterations. We can see again this effect off, this effect on. We can see a clear difference on the face and on the environment. And people are making great arguments, like for example the consistency. I know AI can make more than one face, so why is it always this face? And that makes sense. Like, I don't know what they have done with their technology, but faces should be consistent across games. Imagine that you're playing, a game one session, right? And then you see the DLSS face upgrade or whatever. Then you close that game, you come back the next day after, right? You open the game up, and then the DLSS again is on, but then it's a completely different face because it's again an AI upscaler, and AIs are not consistent every time. So I'm curious about how this could work. And then some people are saying that this is not very good for artists, and this is literally not good for intentional design. So what's your opinion on this new DLSS 5 from NVIDIA? Let me know down in the comments. I want to hear your opinion. Will you add this into your Unreal Engine game, or whatever game engine that you're using? And yeah, overall, what do you think? With that said, guys, make sure to check out this video right here. Now with that said, bye.